Diabetes, inflammation, and vision. Understanding the cellular connection. Vision is one of the most complex and delicate systems in the human body. Every second, millions of specialized retinal cells convert light into electrical impulses that travel through the optic nerve to the brain. This intricate process allows us to see clearly, interpret movement, recognize faces, and experience the world around us. But in diabetes, this balance can gradually become disrupted. Not overnight, not dramatically at first, but progressively at the cellular level. Persistent elevations in blood glucose trigger more than metabolic changes. Over time, chronic hyperglycemia activates inflammatory pathways and increases the production of reactive oxygen species, unstable molecules that generate oxidative stress inside cells. The retina is particularly vulnerable to this stress. It is one of the most metabolically active tissues in the body and depends on a delicate network of tiny blood vessels to supply oxygen and nutrients. Chronic inflammation can alter the integrity of these microvessels. Capillary walls may weaken. Vascular permeability can increase. Circulation may become compromised. At the same time, oxidative stress affects mitochondrial function within retinal neurons. Mitochondria are the energy producers of the cell. When oxidative stress overwhelms them, energy production becomes less efficient, and cellular stability may decline. The retina depends on a coordinated relationship between blood vessels and nerve cells, often referred to as the neurovascular unit. When inflammation remains active and oxidative stress persists, this coordination can begin to break down. Visual signaling may become less efficient. Neural communication may be altered. Blurred vision can appear as an early warning sign. Over time, these processes contribute to what we know as diabetic retinopathy. It is important to understand this is not simply sugar damaging the eye. It is a complex interaction between metabolic imbalance, inflammation, oxidative stress, and microvascular dysfunction. And this is where the body's internal defense systems become critical. The human body is not passive in the face of stress. It possesses powerful antioxidant systems designed to regulate oxidative balance and protect cellular integrity. One of the most important of these systems is glutathione, often referred to as the master intracellular antioxidant. Glutathione plays a central role in neutralizing reactive oxygen species and maintaining redox stability within cells. Another essential regulatory pathway is NRF2, a transcription factor that activates genes responsible for producing antioxidant and detoxification enzymes. When functioning properly, the NRF2 pathway supports the production of protective enzymes such as superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. Together, these systems help counteract oxidative stress and support cellular resilience. Nitric oxide balance also plays an important role. Proper nitric oxide signaling supports healthy vascular tone and blood flow, both of which are essential for retinal health. When vascular regulation is impaired, oxygen delivery and nutrient exchange may suffer. In chronic diabetes, sustained inflammation and persistent oxidative stress can overwhelm these protective systems if balance is not maintained. Scientific research published in peer-reviewed journals, including Antioxidants and Frontiers in Endocrinology, has consistently demonstrated the central role of inflammatory pathways and oxidative stress in diabetic retinal damage. These findings reinforce the importance of understanding the cellular processes behind vision complications, not just glucose levels alone. Diabetic vision changes develop gradually. They are the result of cumulative cellular stress over time. Understanding this mechanism is not meant to create fear. It is meant to create awareness, because awareness allows earlier intervention, better lifestyle decisions, and a deeper understanding of how inflammation and oxidative balance influence long-term health. At IMA, Immunity Matters, our goal is education. We explore how inflammation, oxidative stress, and the body's internal antioxidant systems interact across different health conditions. If you would like to explore the scientific studies referenced in this video and learn more about how cellular balance supports overall health, visit immunitymatters.org. Understanding the science is the first step toward protecting what matters most, including your vision.